To create an account with miniPCR Digital, go to digital.minipcr.com and click the Sign In button in the top right corner of the home page. Next, click the Sign Up link in the center of the page. Here, there are 3 options for signing up. 1, by creating a password. 2, by sending a sign-up link to your email. Or 3, by signing up with a third-party service like Google. For all of these, be sure to use the email address you'd like to connect to your miniPCR Digital account. To sign up with a password, enter your email address and desired password, then click the Create Account button. To sign up with email, enter your email address in the bottommost line and click the Send Sign Up link button. Using the same browser or device, navigate to your email inbox. You should receive an email from miniPCR Digital with a Sign Up button. If you do not see your email within a minute or 2, check your spam or junk folder. Click the Sign Up button in your email to continue setting up your account. To sign up with a third-party account, simply click the button that corresponds to the service you'd like to use and select the email address you'd like to connect with. After signing up with a password, with your email, or with a third-party service, you'll be directed to the miniPCR Digital onboarding page to finish setting up your account. This part of the video depicts the teacher onboarding process. After providing the requested information and consenting to the terms of use and other legal notices, you'll be ready to use your miniPCR Digital account. Note that students and teachers follow the same process for onboarding. The only difference is the amount and type of information requested. We collect more data from teachers than from students at the time of onboarding. You can delete your miniPCR Digital account by navigating to the Profile tab on your dashboard and then clicking the Delete Account button at the bottom of the page. Note that by deleting your account, you'll lose any redeemed licenses and will no longer be able to access student data.